All right, it is day 5 of our honeybee story. We're going to spell some words. We're going to build words with our long E. That's the sound we've been talking about all week. So let's look at this first word. Read it and give me a thumbs up. Remember that E is going to say his name. Let's sound it out. B-E, bee. Now let's add another E to the end. What word do I have now? It's still bee. This is like our honeybee. All right, let's add a T to the end. What word do I have now? Beet. Good. That's like a vegetable. All right, let's change the B to F. What word do I have now? Feet. Ready? Let's change the T to O. What's my new word? Feel. All right, let's change the F to H. Ready? Changing the first sound. Heel. All right, look at page 178. So this page right here. Describe what it looks like. What do you notice about it? There's a lot of flowers. They're different colors. There's a bee flying around. How do we know that the bees on this page are a community? How can we tell that? There's a lot of them. Maybe we can tell they're working on the same thing. Good. Listen as I read. The sun shines. These honeybees wake up. It is time for these insects to work. Buzz, buzz, buzz. How are these bees like people? They're working together. People often work together to get projects and tasks completed. In the hive, bees live like a family. In the hive, we can see there is a queen bee, lots of worker bees, and some drones. This is the queen bee. She rules the hive. These bees are drones. Drones help the queen bee. What does it mean to rule? This isn't like a rule like we have at school where you can't run in the classroom or we always use a pencil. Those are rules that we have, but what does it mean for something to rule? That's right, they're in charge of. So the queen bee is in charge of the hive. So what do you think the queen does? Maybe she makes sure the other bees are doing what they're supposed to do? Maybe. Let's keep reading. This hive is hidden in a big tree. Worker bees will keep this hive safe. It is not wise to make bees mad. Mad bees will attack. So the bear was messing with the hive, and those bees got mad, and they started chasing him around. What is one fact? Remember, a fact is something that is true. What is a fact that the author shared? That the bees will keep the hive safe, or mad bees will attack? Good. Let's keep reading. Worker bees make wax cells in the hive. These wax cells are small holes. So the little hole right here is a wax cell. Bees save honey in some wax cells. Small bees live and grow in other cells. So they put honey in some and then baby bees in the others. Bees feed on honey. Worker bees feed honey to other bees in the hive. Bees make honey from nectar. How are the jobs of people similar to the jobs of bees? Maybe bees and people both have certain jobs that they do. They take care of babies, or they produce food. How are they different? Yeah, bees fly. We don't really fly so much. And I can't really turn nectar into honey. How do you think honey and nectar are similar? Maybe they're both sticky or both sweet? Good. Let's keep going. Bees get nectar inside flowers. Bees take this sweet nectar back home. Bees also get pollen from flowers. What do the bees do with the sweet nectar after they get it from the flower? They take it back home, good. And what do they make with it? Good, they make honey. And where did they say that the nectar comes from? From inside flowers. Good. So this bee is getting some nectar from inside the flower. Worker bees feed pollen to the queen bee and small bees. It helps them get big. When those small bees get big, it is time to make a new hive. When do bees get a new hive? Good, when the small bees become big. Ready? Worker bees make the new hive. A new queen bee will go with them. When it gets cold, these bees will go inside their hive and sleep and rest. The bees will wake up when the sun shines. What is an antonym, or something that's the opposite of the word new? What's the opposite meaning of the word new? Good. Old would be the opposite. What about cold? What would be the opposite of cold? Good. Hot. And what about inside? What's the opposite of inside? Good. Outside. All right, let's think about the author's purpose. The reason an author writes is the author's purpose. An author can write to entertain, to inform, to describe, or for any two of those reasons. As we read Honeybees, we think about why the author wrote this story. Let's look back at page 183. What was the queen's job? Let's look back at our story. It says, she rules the hive. So I could say that the queen's job is to rule the hive. All right, let's talk about nouns and sentences. A noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. Most sentences have at least one noun. The dog and the cat got in a fight. The blue words are nouns. Which one of these words is a noun? The children need to take paper, markers, and snack to school. We know children is who, those are people. Paper is a thing, markers are a thing, snack is a thing, and school is a place. So there were lots of nouns in that sentence, weren't there? All right, let's look at our sight words. Remember, the heart is the part we have to remember. Ready? Also, other, new, family, some, there. Say them with me. Ready? Also, other, new, family, some, there. Let's see which one of those words makes sense in these sentences. Ready? Worker bees feed honey to bees in blank hive. Which one of those sight words makes sense? Let's see. Their. Worker bees feed honey to bees in their hive. It belongs to them. My blank likes to make dinner for other people in town. Well, who would make dinner? Which one of our sight words? Family. Good. He likes to swim, but he blank likes to try new sports. Good. Also. Would you like blank of my snack? Some. Would you like some of my snack? Where is my blank sock? Where is my blank shoe? Other. Where is my other shoe? I love my blank friends. My new friends. I love my new friends. All right, I need you to get out your 3 tools we use every day. Our eraser, our marker, and your Tap It, Map It, Zap It board. I'll see you in a second.